Okay, now in this question we're dealing with a slightly more difficult quadratic expression. The quadratic expression we have here is 10x squared plus 23x plus 12. Now by splitting the middle term we're going to completely factorize this expression as well. Now if you've been following the other videos you realize that we're going to do this in a particular way. And the method that we use in this particular question is, first of all, we take that number 10, it's a trick that we do in front of the x squared, we multiply that by the plus 12 here. So we're going to multiply that by plus 12, and that'll give us 120. Now what we want to do now is we want to find the factors of 120. Two factors, and multiply to give us plus 120, and add to give us plus 23. So I've written out a couple of the possible factors here. We've got 20 times 6, that's not going to help us get 23. 40 times 3, that's not going to help us get 23. And then 15 times 8, and I think that should get us 23. So let's write this expression out again, except we're going to split the middle term using these values here. So instead of writing plus 23x, we're going to write down plus 15x plus 8x. Okay, so as you can see there, I've rewritten the expression. I've split the plus 23x into 15x and 8x. The reason I did that was a particular trick, because we took the 10, multiplied it by the 12, we got 120. We looked at the factors of 120. We picked out 15 and 8 because they add to give us 23. Okay, so this is exactly the same expression. We've just broken up the middle part of it into plus 15x plus 8x using this particular trick, the method that we have. We then continue as normal. We split this up into two groups. We've got 10x squared plus 15x, and we've got plus 8x plus 12. And we factorize those as usual. Okay, so when we factorize 10x squared plus 15x, we do it the normal way. We look at the number. What's the biggest number that goes into 10 that also goes into 15? The answer is 5. What's the biggest number, algebraic number, that goes into x squared that also goes into x? And the answer is x. So we've got 5x groups, and in each group we're going to have, 2x, because 5x by 2x gives us 10x squared. We're also going to have plus 3, because 5x times plus 3 gives us 15x. When we factorize the plus 8x plus 12, we find that the biggest number that goes into 8 that also goes into 12 is 4. 4 goes into 8 2x times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. And what you'll see that we have now is we have a common factor. We have the 2x plus the 3, and we have a 2x plus 3. So in this term we have 2x plus 3, and in this term we also have 2x plus 3. So we have 5x times 2x plus 3 plus 4 times 2x plus 3, which gives us a total of 5x plus 4 times 2x plus 3. What I like about this method is there's none of this messing about and guessing that you often do with other methods. It's very specific. We take the 10 by the 12, we get 120. We find the factors of 120, and we split the center number in a way that the 15 plus 8, the plus 15x and the plus 8x, the coefficients here, plus 15 and plus 8, will also multiply to give you 120. And taking this particular method, we end up with a common factor. Common factor in this question is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. So we end up factorizing the entire expression as 2x plus 3 times 5x plus 4. Put your answer in here, click on submit, and you'll get the score.